Are you ready to embark on a journey to health with us today? On this fine day, we're heading out to the embrace of the forest, where the air is fresh and the spirit is free. We'll be cooking up a storm, preparing a delicious and nutritious chicken kebab with a mix of vibrant vegetables, all on a trusty wood stove. But that's not all. We'll flex our muscles and challenge our strength with exercises using nature's gym, trees, trunks, and stones. So, gear up for an exciting day in the forest filled with good food and great exercise. To start our day right, we are going to prepare a delicious and healthy meal of chicken kebab with vegetables. First things first, let's talk ingredients. We've got succulent pieces of chicken, a medley of vibrant vegetables, including crisp onions, succulent peppers, and ripe tomatoes. And let's not forget a pinch of love, the most important ingredient of all. Start by cutting the chicken into bite-sized chunks. Then slice up your onions, peppers, and tomatoes into similar sizes. This ensures everything cooks evenly and at the same pace. Now here's the fun part. Skewer the chicken and vegetables alternately onto sturdy sticks, or if you have them on hand, kebab skewers. With your kebabs assembled, it's time to introduce them to the fire. Make sure your fire is steady and not too hot. Too much heat can char the outside of your kebabs while leaving the inside undercooked. And we don't want that, do we? Roast the kebabs over the fire, turning them periodically to ensure even cooking. You'll know they're done when the chicken is no longer pink inside and the vegetables are tender. Now take a moment to appreciate your handiwork, the smoky aroma, the vibrant colors, the anticipation of that first bite. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious chicken kebab cooked in the great outdoors. Now, let's move on to the next part of our journey. After a hearty meal, it's time to get our bodies moving. We're going to utilize what the forest has to offer and engage in some strength exercises. First up, let's make the most of the trees around us. Find a sturdy tree and position yourself for some incline push-ups. Place your hands on the trunk, a little wider than shoulder width. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the tree, then push back up to the starting position. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, and it's a great way to build upper body strength. Next, let's take this workout to the next level with some forest running. This isn't your typical jog around the block, my friends. The uneven terrain and natural obstacles will challenge your balance and agility while giving your legs a fantastic workout. Remember to pace yourself and be mindful of your surroundings. Now, let's get those arms working with a bit of climbing. Find a tree with some low-hanging branches. Start by hanging from a branch with your arms fully extended, then pull yourself up until your chin is above the branch. Lower yourself back to the starting position and repeat. This exercise is a full upper body workout, strengthening your arms, back, and shoulders. How about some weightlifting forest style? Look around for a heavy stone or log. Be sure to lift with your legs, not your back. Hold the object at your chest, then press it overhead, extending your arms fully. Lower it back down and repeat. This exercise works your entire body, especially your legs, core, and shoulders. Finally, let's add some plyometrics to our forest workout with some tree jumps. Stand in front of a tree or stump, then jump onto it, landing softly. Step back down and repeat. This exercise will get your heart pumping and work your legs and core. Remember, the forest is your gym. Use it to your advantage. Now let's wrap up our health journey for today. We have come to the end of our health journey in the forest today. We've filled our lungs with fresh air, our hearts with joy, and our bellies with a nourishing meal. We've prepared a delightful chicken kebab, rich in protein and packed with an array of vegetables, offering a balanced blend of vitamins and minerals. This hearty meal, cooked over a wood stove, reminds us of the simple pleasures of life. Moreover, we've engaged our muscles and boosted our energy with strength exercises using the forest resources. Push-ups against tree trunks, running along the forest trails, and climbing the sturdy trees have not only improved our physical strength but also our connection with nature. These activities emphasize the importance of a balanced lifestyle, combining wholesome food and physical activity in a serene environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and leave your comment. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.